Okay. Tyler, how many square feet of paint am I gonna need for this rectangular one? 80. And can you describe to me how you got 80?
8 times 4.
Okay.
8 times 2. Times 2.
Because you have 2 of them. Okay.
I did 4 times 2.
Okay, so I had the top is 8 by 4. The sides are 8 by 2, and there's 2 of them. And then the other pair of sides are 4 by 2, and there's 2 of them. So you got 80 square feet here. Okay. I like that. This triangular prism. How many sides are there? How many faces are there?
5.
There are 5 of them. Of the 5, how many of them are the same?
3. 2.
2 of them, sorry, like these 2.
Yeah.
The top and the bottom, right? So let's talk about the 3 sides. Zach, what are the 3 sides? Are they what kind of shapes? Okay, and so what are the dimensions of each of the rectangles? Like each. So like something times something.
It's like 8 times 7.
8 times 7.
6 times 7.
6 times 7.
And 7 times. It's not a word, bro.
And 10 times 7. This is why you're not going to get water. Follow along with us.
I am.
No, you're not. You're playing hangman.
I can multitask.
No, you're not. Okay, now we have 2 triangles. Jake, how do we find the area of a triangle?
Act like it's a square and then divide it in.
What? What did you just say? That is not true.
It is true.
Say it one more time.
I didn't say nothing.
Go step out in the hallway. So 1/2 base times height. What are the base and height? Yeah, 8 and 6. Okay, here is a triangle. Okay, well, it's the same triangle. And here's the right angle. The right angle tells us where the base and the height are. So we have a total of how many square feet on this one?
192.
So total, we have 272 square feet.
That's exactly what I got.
How many gallons of paint should I buy?
1.
If I wanted 2 coats, do I have enough for 2 coats?
No.
Sure do not. Okay. Because I have 2 triangles. Oh. I know. Yeah. I was thinking about all the faces. I'm so sorry. Okay, so what I'm gonna have you do is turn to page now 19. Okay. I am so incredibly frustrated right now. And I'm really trying to be patient. When I said turn to page 19, did that require you to make noise? No. Okay. When I ask you to find the surface area of a prism. Now, this packet has some nice little formulas for you. I really don't care about the formulas. Can you find area of a triangle?
Yes.
Can you find area of a square?
Yes.
Can you find area of a rectangle? Can you find area of a trapezoid?
Yes.
You can do this.
Yes.
Okay? Can you just like talk about interrupting me, please? Like just raise your hand, please. Please. Hold on.
What?
I'll catch you. Don't worry. Me, no one is, don't worry, I'll catch you.
A parallelogram is still base times height. Okay, so like when we look at number one. Is that you? When we look at number one, we have two sides that are 7 by 13, two sides that are 13 by 9, and two sides that are 9 by 7 without making any noise. Silently, individually, find me the surface area, AKA the area of all 6 sides. We're doing all the sides now. When I come back in. You said something.
I wasn't even talking.
Who are you talking to?
Alton, then I looked at you to see if you heard it.
I'm supposed to believe that,
Yes.
that you weren't talking to me. My patients are done dealing with your board. I get that you don't want to be in this class and that your grade doesn't matter. No. You chose to stay in this class and you promised me that you could stay in this class and not be a distraction to other people. So I'm gonna hold you to that.
I just been hanging with Alton. I wasn't distracting no one else.
Well, it's distracting one person
You
And that's
asked
not-
me to play.
and it's distracting
Another
me.
guy asked him. I asked
Why
Alton.
are you talking while I'm speaking? You are interrupting me right now. You chose to stay in this class and you promised me you wouldn't be a distraction to anybody. Being a distraction to Dalton, that's somebody. Being a distraction to me, that's somebody. You're not gonna play hangman. And if I need to move you to a different seat, I can. I need you to participate in class. Just like you would any other class. You do that. You really don't think you can. Then how about you grab yourself and go talk to Dr. Carson about how you cannot be in my class without being a distraction. That's what you want to do?
I'm not gonna say my guys.
Okay, you grab yourself and go to the office. I'll let you know you're coming.
Pablo, what you talking about? You're not? Where are you going? That's how you say it, right?
Okay. Serena, what surface area did you get for number one? 540 what? Okay, do you agree with Serena? So we have 2 times 7 times 13, plus 2 times 13 times 9, plus 2 times 7 times 9. Okay, cool. So now when we get to one like number 5, let's go to number 5.
Number 5.
Okay. So we have 2 triangles, right? We have 2 triangles and the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Here is, I'm gonna highlight the triangle right here. What's the height of that triangle? 4.1 and the base? 12. Remember, when I am looking at this right angle, that is telling me where the base and height of my triangle is. The height and base are both connected to the right angle. Okay,
You don't have to find like the little triangles like.
I did.
Yeah, she did.
That's that triangle?
No, yeah.
Okay, cool. Now I have 3 sides. And they're all what shape?
Rectangles. Triangles.
Rectangles.
Wait.
Okay, we have the 2 rectangles. So now let's talk about this rectangle right here. What is this rectangle right here? 3 by 10. Okay. This guy right here. That's 5 by 3. And this rectangle is 12 by 3. So there are a lot of voices right now. Stop. There are a lot of voices right now. And really, it's overwhelming and distracting. Okay? Yes.
How is it 12 by 3?
So 3 is this measurement right here, which is also this measurement, which is also this measurement.
Oh, you're looking at the bottom one.
So the bottom is 12 by 3. This right side is 3 by 10, and this left side is 5 by 3. Okay. All right. So this should give us
Yeah, but it can't be.
what? 130 point what? And we agree with that?
So I think that's, I got 113. I got 113.
Yeah.
Why would we do 2 times 1/2 times 4.1? Like, why don't we just do 4.1 times 12?
So I'm saying there's 2 triangles. Okay. Like seriously. Jake and Paxton, Emily and Carson, Bryce. Okay, that's not. What did you get?
I got 113.2.
You know what? How about I do it on my calculator? So 4.1 times 12 plus 30 plus 15 plus 36 is 130.2.
Calculator messed up.
So dollar. Better be careful.
Okay, we're gonna do 2 more. I want to talk about this trapezoidal prism. How many faces do we have to find the area of? 6. We have 2 trapezoids, right, Ben?
Yeah, I thought I didn't count the top one.
Okay, let's talk about a trapezoid. The area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases.
Where's their traffic now?
So our trapezoid is this guy right here.
But that only has like one thing then. Like curve.
But remember, since this is a prism, these 2 are the same. Okay, so we have 2 trapezoids. So the height is 12, do you agree? So we have 1/2 times 12. And then our 2 bases, this base is 23. What's this base? This is 18 because it's the same as this measurement right here. Okay. Now let's talk about our 4 different sides. So this one that I just highlighted, what is its measurement? 18 by 15 plus this guy right here that I highlighted. 20 by 15. They all are gonna have the same width. What is this guy right here on the bottom? 23 by 15. How? Okay. And then this guy is the 12 by 15. So let me write, okay? Quietly. I would find each of these individually and then create a sum.
True.
I was gonna wait for Cohen to get back.
Take the answer from her.
How about,
Wait, can I go into the thing?
oh, good God.
Yeah, to make sure
I
you actually did the
Which one?
problem, you
Make
should
sure
ask
Linda
for
does
it.
Get your feet off of my desk. My instructions were to silently find this sum.
Does that mean Adam and I got it?
Yeah.
This is an answer that I'm hearing a couple times in the crowd.
Wait, sure, what'd you
What I find very disappointing is I only see about half of you actually writing down how to do this. I don't need you talking back to me. On your graded assignment that I'm gonna give you on Friday, you need to actually write this down so I know where this comes from. Okay. Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
How come you saw multiply by 0?
But like, it's kind of like.
Okay.
Wait, that's true.
Okay, I want you to go ahead and slide over to the next page and we're gonna talk about cylinders. Okay, now, once again, they're giving us some formulas. I don't want you to be like super focused on the formulas, but I want you to understand where this is coming from. When it says lateral area, that means everything except the bases, okay? Let's just talk about this cylinder right here. If we were to cut this apart, we have two circles, do you agree?
Yeah.
And if I were to cut this cylinder and lay it out, what would that middle part be? It would be a rectangle. A rectangle where this is the height. Ooh, what'd you say? This is what wraps around the circle. So yes, this would be the circumference. So we get this formula by taking pi r squared plus pi r squared. Those are the different, the two areas of our bases. Dalton, stop. And then we have the area of our rectangle, length times width. Yeah. Okay, so in the case of this number 9, we would take 2 pi r squared because we have two circles with radius 11 plus 2 pi r is 11 H is 26. Which is 2,557.3 square yards. I need to finish a few things before I talk about bathrooms.
Why is it always ending in 2 or 3 squared? Like, why don't we just add it in? Like, why not?
I don't know what you're asking.
So like, when something, like, if we're just trying to find the area of something, then we do squared, but if we try to find the volume of something, we do cubed. Why do we leave it at that? Why don't we?
So we're talking about the dimensions. So if I measure a length, I'm measuring one dimension.
Yeah.
But if I'm measuring the area, we're talking about 2 dimensions. So square yards is 2 dimensions. Like this, let's just pretend that this is a yard. This is a square yard because it's a square that's yard by yard. See what I'm saying? Okay. Now, you are going to encounter a problem in your homework.
That's exactly what I'm like. I heard it last time. I don't know.
We're just gonna talk through it. No, we're just gonna talk through it. If you had a problem like this, we have the height of our cylinder, but we don't have the radius. How could we find it, Layla? You could make it a right triangle. You could solve for the diameter. And if we have a diameter, we know we would need to cut it in half to get radius. I have now stopped 3 times for you. Could you please turn the page? I'm asking the entire class to please turn the page to page 21. On page 21 and 22, your homework is 1 through 12.